Most people in America aren't careless with money. They wake up early, go to work, pay rent, buy food, and try to survive. Yet saving feels impossible. It's not because people are lazy or stupid, it's because the system makes spending easy and pain-free, especially when credit cards are involved.
Credit cards don't feel dangerous. They don't feel like debt. When you swipe a card, nothing leaves your hand. No cash disappears. No alarm goes off. It feels like you didn't really spend money at all. That feeling is exactly why credit cards quietly cause problems over time.
You go to a store just to grab a few things, maybe groceries or household stuff. You swipe the card, and it feels smooth and easy. You walk out without stress. But the stress didn't disappear, it was delayed. That spending comes back later, usually when your paycheck is already tight. Cash hurts to spend. When you hand over cash, you feel it. Credit cards don't hurt. They trick your brain into thinking money is unlimited. Your brain says, "I'll deal with it later." And later becomes next month, then the month after that, and the balance keeps growing quietly. At the end of the month, your credit card statement shows up. You see a big balance, but your eyes go straight to one small number, the minimum payment. That tiny number makes you feel safe. It feels manageable. But that minimum payment is one of the biggest traps people fall into. When you pay only the minimum, the balance barely moves. You feel responsible because you paid something, but most of your money goes to interest, not the actual balance. So even after months of paying, it feels like nothing changed. That's how people stay stuck for years. Interest is money you paid just for borrowing money. It doesn't help you buy food or pay rent. It doesn't improve your life. It quietly takes money from every paycheck. Even when you're careful, interest keeps draining your income little by little without asking permission. Think about groceries. Prices go up, so you use your credit card. No big deal, right? But next month, you're still paying for last month's food. And while you're paying that, you're also buying new groceries. That's how one expense turns into a constant cycle.
Now think about emergencies. The car breaks down or a medical bill shows up. The credit card saves the day, but after that moment passes, the balance stays. Every paycheck feels smaller because part of it already belongs to the credit card company. Credit cards also change how we spend. When we use cards, we don't notice small purchases. Coffee here, food delivery there, online shopping at night. Each swipe feels harmless, but together they quietly eat your paycheck without you realizing how fast it's happening.
Rewards and points make things worse. Cash back sounds smart. Travel miles sound exciting, but these rewards don't erase debt. They distract you. You might save a little on rewards, but you lose much more by carrying balances month after month.
Here's the cycle many people live in. Paycheck comes in, bills go out. Credit card payment is made. Balance stays. Then groceries and gas go back on the card. Before you know it, the paycheck is gone again, and the cycle repeats.
Even if you don't think about it daily, debt adds stress. It sits quietly in the background. It makes people feel anxious, tired, and stuck. Small money problems feel bigger when you know part of your income is already promised to past spending. Credit cards themselves aren't evil, they are tools. But powerful tools need control. When used without a clear plan, they slowly take control from you. One swipe doesn't hurt, but hundreds of swipes over time quietly change your entire money situation. Things start to change the moment you notice the pattern. Not with shame, not with fear, just awareness. When you see where your money actually goes, you stop feeling confused. And clarity is the first step toward feeling in control again. When spending slows down, money lasts longer. When money lasts longer, stress goes down. You stop feeling rushed and pressured every month. That calm feeling doesn't come from earning more, it comes from keeping more of what you already earn.
You don't need to be perfect with money. You don't need to cut all joy from your life. You just need fewer silent money leaks. For most people, credit cards are the biggest leak they don't even notice.
Money should support your life, not quietly drain it in the background. Once you understand how credit cards really work, you can start making calmer choices. Small awareness today can create big relief tomorrow. If this video helped you, subscribe for simple money lessons every week.